Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can make sure that a romantic partner doesn't get part of your estate. And I can tell you at the beginning, up front, it's kind of a trick question. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have any questions, if you need help, if you just want to chat, you can go to estatemeeting.com, set up a time to talk with me over the phone or in person for free, estatemeeting.com. Okay, so this question comes from a potential client meeting that I had the other day. This person has a longtime romantic partner, and they want to make sure that, don't ask me why, this is just what they want, how they can make sure that the partner doesn't get any part of their estate. And what I told them was, it's very easy to make sure that someone doesn't get part of your estate, and that is to just simply not name them in your will. For example, if you have, if your partner is Fred and you give everything to Susie, well, Fred doesn't get anything. But there's a little bit of a catch. It's a little bit of a trickeration, because the Washington, by the way, does not have common law marriage necessarily. However, Washington is a community property state, which means if you are with someone for a long time, even if you're not married, you can establish a community-like relationship where you can, property that you acquire, property that you have, can become community-like property. What that means is, when you die, it's very easy for you to give away your property to whomever you want. However, that other person, the romantic partner of yours, they may claim and stake a claim and file a claim or bring a claim or allege that half of the property that you think is yours is actually theirs. So when you create your will and you give your property away, you can give away all of your property, but you can't give away the property interest that someone else owns. Follow me? I'll give you a perfect example. Let's say you're married and the two of you bought a home and the first spouse dies. That spouse has the ability to give away their half of the house, their interest in the community property, to anyone that they want. That, however, does not give them the ability to give away the other spouse's half of that property. The same thing is true in this type of a relationship that we're talking about right now. So if you have a romantic partner or somebody that you've been with for a long time, and you are not sure if the property that you have is community property or not, you can do one of two things. I'm not going to tell you what they are because I don't want you to do them without talking to somebody. I would talk to an attorney though, not even me. I would go talk to a family law attorney because they can help you figure that out and sort that out. But it's something that you're probably going to want to consider at least talking to someone about beforehand, so you can determine what the status of that property is. Okay, kind of interesting, kind of a different kind of a question. I thought it'd be fun to talk about. So that's it. The answer is you can give away your interest in any property to anyone that you want, and no one else can really make a claim to it, in Washington State at least. Okay, that's it. As a reminder, I'm Christopher Small. I am the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. If you want to talk about this or anything else more in depth, or you just want to chat, please go to estatemeeting.com. You can set up a time to talk with me over the phone or in person for free, estatemeeting.com. All right, that's it. Thanks so much for your time. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you know somebody that needs to hear it, please share it with them. And if you're listening to this in a place you can subscribe and you don't want to miss any other estate planning and probate tips, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, have a great day. Bye.